Welcome. In front of me I have HiSense LED TV, and today I'll show you how you can turn on or turn off hotel mode. Grab your remote control and then tap on the menu button. Next, you have to tap right arrow on your remote control 4 times. When you are on the lock, you have to tap on the bottom arrow, click on the system lock, and you have to input your password. In most cases, you can use this password 000 and 0. In my case, it's wrong because I just changed it, so right now I have 4 times 1. There you can scroll down to the hotel mode by using the arrows on your remote control and click OK. Tap OK another time to activate hotel mode, or just tap on it another time to turn it off. So as you can see, it's very simple. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.